this video, I'm going to be giving you my 5 secrets and tips to increase your sales for Amazon advertising. Now, if you're not using Amazon advertising for your Kindle publishing business, in this day and age, you're losing out on money. You're leaving money on the table. There's no reason why you shouldn't be using Amazon advertising. It's critical to use it in this day and age, 2019 and beyond. And on top of that, there's a free course that exists for Amazon advertising. I'll leave a link below in the description for you. It's absolutely free, no strings attached. It's a free course on Amazon advertising. Now I've gotten that out the way, let's get into the video. So my first tip is you need to laser target your keywords to a specific audience. So this means you need to define your customer avatar and understand their needs and what they are looking for. So when you go on to the Amazon website and you put in a search term, see what the auto suggest feature populates, right? On the search engine. See what kind of search terms and queries that Amazon is giving you. So for instance, weight loss, right? So customers that are looking for lose weight fast, customers are looking for a solution to their problem, that's being overweight, and they want to do it as fast as possible. So you really need to hone down and narrow down on who you're serving, who your customer is, and just define their needs. So that's the first tip. The second tip is split testing. So you want to run multiple ads using different keywords, obviously. So you want to try using different keywords for different ad campaigns. This way you can find more potential in making sales through using multiple ad campaigns, right? Because you never know what keywords may be profitable until you try them, right? So this is another way of increasing your sales for Amazon advertising. So it's split testing. Book cover. So you want to have an appealing book cover that's clickbait worthy. Now I've done a video on this many times before. I've done a couple of videos on this. So you want to hire a professional book cover designer that's going to create a high quality and premium book cover that's going to create appeal, that's going to create curiosity, and that's going to ultimately make the customer click on your book listing. Tip number 4, copywriting. And again, I've done multiple videos on copywriting. So this is persuasion in words. This is essential to learn in the realm of sales. You need to understand how to craft your ad copy in such a way that creates curiosity and makes the customer wanting to know more, right? So copywriting is critical. So that's a piece of text you put into your ad campaign. So you need to be able to do it. You need to be able to craft a concise and to the point type of ad copy that can really create curiosity and resonate with your customer. And now the 5th and final tip is optimizing your ads. And now this may sound simple, but it is a powerful tip as well. You want to prune unprofitable keywords and increase your bid price and find more profitable keywords for your ad campaign. So basically your Amazon ad campaign is not a set it and forget it thing. You need to monitor it. You can try monitoring it at least once every week at the minimum. You need to monitor it because you need to see how it's doing, and you want to prune unprofitable keywords. So that means you want to delete or take out unprofitable keywords. You can potentially increase the bid price and as well as find more profitable keywords for your ad campaign. So these are all my 5 tips and strategies that I personally use for my Amazon marketing campaigns, and I hope you found it helpful and that you're going to start implementing them as well. So if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.